Okay, so let's start. I have my little bucket here that I use for, this is from Dollar Tree. I use it to bring my makeup over from my little drawers over here. And I have it all in these drawers that I got from Michael's. It was a pretty inexpensive price, and I keep like my whole makeup collection in here. So I think for today, I don't think I'm going to use any of these primers. I have another primer drawer where I actually do my makeup, but a lot of these are really great ones. But I think I'm gonna do like a full base of Rare Beauty. So this is the Rare Beauty foundation. I use this Rare Beauty foundation today. I'm gonna get my primer from the my other little makeup section that I have, the Rare Beauty foundation, the Rare Beauty powder. And then this is my bronzer drawer, and I'm going to use a bronzer from, I have some of my cream bronzers right here, but I'm going to use some from my other little makeup section as well. And then I have my blushes here. I'm debating on whether I should use this one, the Essence blush, or the L'Oreal True Match. I think I'm gonna go for the Essence blush today because I'm doing a cool toned look. And for my highlighters, I'm going to use my Makeup Revolution loose highlighter. I have not used this like at all, but it's a really nice highlighter, and it's nice and white for my skin tone. And these are some of my palettes down here. I have big ones there, some smaller ones here. I think I'm going to use a palette that I already have over in my other section to do a very pretty blue eyeshadow look. This is like a little behind the scenes. This is what my filming looks like. I have my ring light, and these are my drawers here. My brushes, some lipsticks. I'm ready for fall. I'm ready for fall now. I'm going to use get my setting spray. This is my NYX Bear With Me setting spray. And actually, I think I'm going to use my favorite Maybelline Fit Me powder instead, because I want more of a matte look. So I'm going to use that as my setting spray. And then right here I have some of my palettes and some single eyeshadows. This is the palette I'm going to use today. Absolutely gorgeous eyeshadows. I love them. Too Faced Pretty Rich palette. I have some of my other things. I'm going to use my Kiss So Wispy number 11 lashes, and my Essence Sun Club Matte Bronzing Powder Palette. Actually, I think I'm going to use my Makeup Revolution highlighting quad instead of the loose highlighter. These are my drawers that I keep my smaller makeup items in, like eyeliners and my eyebrow stuff. So I'm going to do my basic easy eyebrow routine with these products right here. My favorite Essence Lash Princess. And my NYX white eyeliner for my waterline. And my Kiss Lash Glue Liner. And for lips, these are my lipstick drawers. I'm gonna use, I think I'm gonna use this Colourpop lippie pencil. This is Colourpop BFF. And the NYX, this is Milky Gloss in Milk It Pink. Yeah, I think that's what I'm gonna use for a nice light nude pinky lip. And then I almost forgot primers. I'm gonna use the Rare Beauty Pore Diffusing Primer. And of course my Profusion Pigment Base Eyeshadow Primer. And for concealer, the Rare Beauty Concealer. And I think that is everything for today's look. So let's get started. So I'm going to start off with my Profusion Pigment Base and prime my eyelids with that. My e.l.f. Flawless Concealer Brush to blend that out. And then I'm going to use the Too Faced Pretty Rich palette. My hubby got this for me for Christmas one year, and I just never really reached for it. But it's so pretty, and I wanted to use it today since I haven't really used it at all. I'm going to use the shade It's Designer with my Real Techniques shading brush. And I'm going to set my inner corner to brow bone with that. And then I'm gonna go into, I'm gonna mix the colors. It's Cashmere and Fancy That. One's more cool tone and one's more warm toned. And I'm going to mix that on the AOA Studio E127 brush and just blend that in my crease. And then I'm going to take this gorgeous blue shade called Set the Jewel Tone. And oh my gosh, it's like a dark blue with a purple reflex to it. And it's just gorgeous. I'm going to use it on my Morphe M421 brush and spray my brush. This is not the the cocoa setting spray. It is the NYX Bear With Me. I just use this spray bottle because I like it better. I'm just going to apply that all over my lid. And that is literally it for the eyeshadow. It's so simple. So then I'm going to use my Rare Beauty Pore Diffusing Primer, as I said. And then I'm going to use my Rare Beauty foundation. And my e.l.f. Total Face Sponge to blend that out. And then for concealer, of course, the Rare Beauty concealer. For powder, I'm using my favorite, the Maybelline Fit Me. And I'm just setting my under eyes and my whole face with that. Just pressing it in with my sponge. For bronzer, I'm going to use my Essence Sun Club Matte Bronzing Powder Palette. And I'm using this first shade right here. With my Morphe JH02 brush. And this is a favorite of mine. It's pretty neutral. It's not too cool toned, so that way I can have some warmth, and it's not too warm, so I can have some cool tones in here since we're doing a blue eyeshadow look. And then I'm using the Essence The Blush in the shade Believing. It's a nice mauve, cool toned blush shade. And I am using my Morphe JH02 brush. Just to blush up my cheeks. And then for highlighter, I'm using my Makeup Revolution Quad and the white color right here, and my Ducare highlighting brush. So I went ahead and did my brows off camera using the products that I showed you, and now I'm going to go back into the Too Faced palette and use the shade Clutch Your Pearls, which is a white, beautiful, reflective color. and I'm using the AOA E134 brush with this, and I'm just spraying my brush. And then I'm going to use my NYX Epic Wear liner stick, and this one is in the shade Pure White. And then I'm going to use my Essence Lash Princess mascara. And then I'm just going to be using my Kiss So Wispy number 11 lashes and my Kiss Lash Glue liner in black. And then I'm going to do lips now, and I'm going to use the Colourpop Lippie pencil in the shade BFF. And then I'm going to go in with a gloss. I'm going to use the NYX This Is Milky gloss in the shade Milk It Pink. This blue eyeshadow is like everywhere now. There's like so much fallout. Okay, so this is the completed Shop My Stash makeup look. I really love this look. I love the blue eyeshadow and everything, and yeah, all the products I used were really amazing. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.